Audi, Mercedes, Honda, and a Lambo.
Last night in Hiroshima, we're going out for some food. At night, it's a totally different city. It's all lit up. It's very cool. You can see just how cool it is. You still have to watch out for bikes. You're gonna get killed. These guys do not play. The man is never far behind. All right, so here we go. Nighttime, Hiroshima, on the channel. We're gonna go eat. How do you say it?
Okonomiyaki.
Ah, we're gonna go out to eat okonomiyaki. This is Don Q. If you're ever anywhere in Japan, you want to stop at a Don Q store because they have everything under the sun you could ever imagine, and lots of different Kit Kat flavors as well. Again, you'll never really get a bad meal in Japan. They're all very, very good. Really good nighttime entertainment by the Parco Mall here in Hiroshima, downtown 2nd Street. Ryu's shop is straight ahead, Gongcha. There's a Starbucks. And just be careful with bicycles and scooters. Here they come, trying to get us. Definitely has a different feeling at night than it does during the day. All right, 4th floor, let's try it. Let's go see. This is what we're trying to get to. We're trying to get to that. All right, 4th floor. Is it the 4th floor? Yeah, he doesn't know. He's not saying much. All right, let's go. Keep climbing. So some of the things about finding a place to eat in Japan, they're everywhere, but if you're looking for a particular place, you may have to go some sketchy stairs. But it's all clean and safe, so it's not like being in an alley in the Bronx. You're not gonna get shot or killed. You'll just get a lot of smiles and a bow. The table's on. Slide up over there. Again, etiquette's important. So we wanna make sure that we're not infringing on anybody. So I'm gonna turn the camera off, because I wanna be rude. In my host country.
Okay.
So pretty soon that will be that. Which is delicious. It's like a pancake. It's got, do we have udon noodles or soba noodles?
Soba.
So we got soba noodles.
Yeah.
Maybe he's making them. And they will have menus in English. Some of them will. Others you'll need Google Translate. But if you know what you're coming for ahead of time, that helps. Especially if you know what it looks like. Which is that. Which is really good. Here we go, he's making it. You'll definitely get your vegetables in eating this. Getting the bacon on. So we have the pancake, we have lettuce, bacon. Got the egg going. Right out of the egg. Look at that. Right out there. Everything's lit up. Again, one of the safest places you can go is Japan. Yeah. A lot of vintage stores here in Japan that basically have just university sweatshirts and stuff that you'd find in the States really easy. Just a lot of fun out here. And I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a makeshift comic book shop. Look, they got Transformers there, Benny. There. They even have a Daiso. Daiso's everywhere. It's better than the dollar store in the States. You can just find everything here. Never saw that before. That's the VW bus holding a bunch of watches. All right, so that's gonna do it for our video. Nighttime in Hiroshima. I am heading back to Okinawa in the morning, so short video, but fun video. Really great food out here. The Okonomiyaki is just, I screwed up the name, I'm sure of it, but it's just really delicious. Come out here if you can. Japan is a fun place. I mean, it's about 8 o'clock. Battery died for my GoPro, so that's gonna do it for our nighttime shoot. As you can see, lots of things happening. Little buddy's dancing. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you next video. If you know anybody in the military, active duty, or spouse, could you give them a hug or handshake, because you can now. And I will see you next video. Coming to you from Hiroshima. It's been a lot of fun. See you next video.